At first, we will try to speak English language. English is very essential for all. Even we will try for this for the sake of learning English. At first, I will go Hafsa. Stand up. What's your name?
My name is Hafsa.
What class do you read in?
I did in class 6.
We will try to speak English language. Are you get ready? Tell us about student life.
Student life. The period of student life is spent in acquiring knowledge in educational institution is called student life. It is the most important part of our life. Our whole future depends on it.
Thank you. Thank you. Sit down. Stand up. What's your name?
My name is Tanvi.
What class do you read in?
I read in class 6.
Thank you. Clap. Clap for today.